I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna learn about describing pictures. ምስሎቹን መግለጽ ማለት ነው. Okay kids, ready? Let's go. Okay, ከላይ የምታዩት ይታያችኋል ከላይ? Alright. So he's licking the ice cream. He's licking the ice cream ካልን ልጁ አይስክሬሙን እየላሰ ነው እያልን ነው. So he's licking the ice cream. Okay, repeat after me. He's licking the ice cream. Great job. Okay. You see the girl riding the bike right there? The girl? Okay. So the girl is riding the bike ካልን ደግሞ ልጅቷ ብስክሌት እየነዳች ነው እያልን ነው ማለት ነው. So the girl is riding the bike. Repeat after me. Can you say it? The girl is riding the bike. All right, great job. Okay. Another one. You see the guy right there? The boy is reading the book. The boy is reading the book. So, መጽሐፍ እያነበበ ነው እያልን ነው. ልጁ መጽሐፍ እያነበበ ነው. Repeat after me. The boy is reading the book. Great job. Okay, another one. You see the girl that's walking her dog? The girl is walking her dog. The girl is walking her dog እንላለን. ልጅቷ ውሻዋን ይዛ እየተራመደች ነው ያለን. So, the girl is walking the dog እንላለን. Repeat after me. The girl is walking the dog. Great job. Okay. እሺ አሁን እኔ እጠይቃለሁ በሙሉ እናንተ በእንግሊዝኛ ትገለብጡታላችሁ ማለት ነው. Okay. So, ልጁ መጽሐፍ እያነበበ ነው ካለ እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Great job. The boy is reading the book. The boy is reading the book. እሺ አሁን ደግሞ ሴቷ ብስክሌት እየነዳች ነው ካለ እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Good job. Okay, the girl is riding the bike. The girl is riding the bike. All right, another one. ልጅቷ ውሻዋን ይዛ እየተራመደች ነው ካለ እንዴት ነው የምንለው? Got it? Okay, great job. So, the girl is walking her dog. The girl is walking her dog እንላለን ማለት ነው. Okay, so kids, that's all we have for today. I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.